Hello traders, Giuseppe Basile here, also known as the FibStalker. Thanks for watching this brief video. In this brief video, I'm going to review what happened in this week in our trading room, week 6, starting on Sunday, February the 4th. It has been a great week, and at the end of this brief video, I'm going to celebrate and uncover how much our traders have actually profited this week. So let me start very quickly here. Before I start, I want to thank you again, whether you have voted or not, for me for the Forex Best Awards. I was we don't have the results yet, and I was nominated into the Best Speaker for 2017. So again, if you have voted for me, thank you very much. If you have not voted for me, thank you anyway. So let's get into the week here. So we started the week with weekend review in three parts here. I like to review the majors and then add minors and the others. And this week we also started the new intraday analysis. So every day in the morning I provide an analysis of 20 minutes covering what's going on the 4-hour time frame and the smaller time frames in the market. So very, very good. And there is also a PDF that I provide. I'm going to show you the one for February the 5th here, with all the levels for each market, and I include some futures as well, SP 500, dollar index, gold, and silver. I provide the weekly and daily long and short FibStalker levels, and also the target levels with some comments on what is going on. So I cover 4 futures, I cover the majors, and then I cover minors and other markets as well. So I cover about 26 markets. All right, so we actually started the week and we were looking for a retrace in the pound, as you can see here from the chart. Greg has mentioned the extension short here, that one of the trade that we have mentioned, and the dollar index and the SP 500 started moving heavily lower. In the meantime, the US dollar Singapore dollar continued higher. I used this market as a proxy for the dollar as well. They worked very, very well, and there were some questions in relation to how we use the FibStalker levels as well. More videos, and here I explained how to use the FibStalker level sheet as well. So it is always coupled with the intraday video, so always watch the intraday video. The FibStalker levels can also be used with other tools if you do not have followed the coaching. And there are simple trading systems that I share as well. One would be to put the stop at the 61.8% level of the traces that you see in the video. Of course, you can use the FibStalking timing, which I teach in my FibStalker Methods coaching program. And for all the people who paying subscribers of the room, I also provide a trading system zero with many entry stop risk-free strategies that I provide in a separate workshop. We had more successful trades here. Greg mentioning its first 10R for the week, and that was on the New Zealand dollar. I loved the comment. These levels were bang on G. FibStalking at its best. So, of course, the FibStalking timing is our proprietary technique that we use for timing. Pound also traded the short. We had more intraday reviews on the 7th, and then again we had more down move here of the New Zealand dollar reaching the first target right away. Actually, the market also continued lower into that 71.90 level that we have provided. So overall, it was a great week. We had new joiners, and of course, on Thursday, the meet was almost done. There were some more questions, and we had our last setup of the week. Very busy week was the pound short 140.61, which went below and approaching targets. And at the end of the week, I was very, very, very happy to celebrate some of the subscribers, particularly Greg, Diego, Pantelis, who have shared either privately or publicly. You can review Pantelis' returns in the last 2 weeks. Well, we had returns in excess of 20%, in one case 35% since the beginning of the month, plus 10% in open profits. And so it has been a great week, and I wanted to do this brief video to celebrate. Guys, you rock. Let's keep the focus and the hard work going on. If you are interested in reaching this kind of results and seeing this kind of activity, you can go to my website and join the analysis and trading service. Now, before you go, Pantelis has given me permission to share the results he had on the ES E-mini futures trading the last 2 weeks, and I want to share that for everybody because I think it's a great, it's a great result. So I congratulated Pantelis. You're talking about almost 30%, actually 30% the profit here in 2 weeks on a 150K capital. And as you can see here, 50,800 in gains with 7,000 lost. And Pantelis has a style, he likes trading on the smaller time frame, and he uses timing on the 1 minute time frame. So he uses the FibStalker timing, and uses risk-free trading. It's a technique that it's very, very short-term trading. But as you can see, this week, especially in the last 2 weeks where we had very good volatility in the market, he got this result. So help me congratulate Pantelis for this result. Pantelis came to me, I think back in September 2014 for help to actually undig him from a very unpleasant situation. I think we can share this, Pantelis, because we have shared this in the coaching a number of times. And Pantelis had the initiative, the courage, and also the the humbleness of coming and say, I'm in a big uh, uh, situation here, very difficult situation. Can you help me? And it's definitely our Greek hero here, as Robert is suggesting. And I remember at that time I created a small video for him, and I helped him, limiting the losses. Unfortunately, he actually entered, respecting what would be his future style. He entered a trade short on a very small time frame, not knowing that the larger time frame was in a long. Okay, so needless to say, I'm very proud of what Pantelis has achieved in the last 3 years, 2 to 3 years. And this is an example of someone who, never let the guard down. Never. I mean, I think Pantelis has lost very, very few coaching sessions. I mean, he has been always here, always improving himself, asking a lot of questions, and eventually, he found the success in the niche that he likes to trade as well. It's not everybody is I couldn't do what Pantelis does. I mean, I'm not able to do that. I don't trade on very small time frames. I actually trade on the 4 hour daily time frames. So help me congratulating Pantelis. Very well done, and Pantelis, keep it going. And we want to hear of your results at the end of the month. Okay, this is gonna be an incredible month for you. So congrats and keep the good job. And I'm very happy that I had a little small part in helping you achieving these results. Okay, so Hey, Giuseppe Basile here, also known as the FibStalker. I'm here on my website at www.fibstalkertrading.com, and I just want to remind you that I have a lot of free material here in the website. You can jump on my newsletter and get my videos and a weekend newsletter. A lot of people have made money in trading by just looking at my videos in the newsletter. I also have for you the Winning with Algos course. This is a 6 hours course that you can take, and in it I show you how you can model smart money and also how you can identify low risk, high probability setups and how to time them. Okay, there's also some other material here. Now, if you know my work and you want to get in touch with me, I'm offering for a limited amount of time, I'm offering a free 45 minutes breakthrough trading strategy session. Okay, so you just go on the link here, or you can go also on FibStalker Training /apply, and that brings you to this calendar here. Okay, once you're in the calendar, you wait just a few seconds for it to load, and you can actually reserve a 45 minutes no pressure call with me. You put your time here, and then you can pick one of the times that I have available. Okay, so this is a good opportunity. I'm going to give you a breakthrough strategy, and I'm going to change the way you look at trading, you look at price in these 45 minutes, and at the end of the 45 minutes you will have a game plan how to improve your trading and reach your trading objectives in 2018. I also have some premium products. I have a FibStalker Methods coaching, now the sixth session. This is an online coaching, and I do monthly webinars, Q&A webinars, and I have the analysis and trading service as well. And you saw some of the results in this video. All right, so if you are interested, you can review my website, look at what I do, and I also have many testimonials people I've worked with. I have over 25% of the people working with me are reaching 2 digits per every month in gains, in profits. Okay, so I have many people I've worked with, and many who are actually reaching their objectives. So don't forget, you can get my free 45 minutes breakthrough trading strategy session, and if you click on this link, you can get my ebook, the video course, and you can get a trial of my 1 month of my Signal service as well. So there's a lot of stuff there for free. Take advantage. I only have limited time for the free 45 minutes trading breakthrough strategy session. I'm offering it only for a limited time, and we'll work together. I'll be able to work and give you a game plan for 2018. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll look at the results next week as well. Bye bye now.